Good morning. Welcome to the morning shift with Ann. What's up? I've been trying to make this video for about half an hour now because it's a tough one. I haven't made a video in a couple of weeks because it was the holidays, but more so I haven't because of Rusty. If you've ever watched any of my videos, you know that Rusty was my chocolate lab. He was 13 and a half, and he was always sitting right next to me whenever I'd make these videos, and he is no longer with us. And that has been very hard. I've avoided making videos because it reminded me so much of him. I sat down to do it, and I just couldn't do it. So I'm getting back on the horse. And I have switched it to gratitude. That I'm so grateful that I got to spend 13 and a half years with that wonderful dog. What a blessing. And I've enjoyed going through pictures of him, growing up with Kevin being little and now being almost a man, and Rusty being a puppy, and then, you know, with the gray beard. What a wonderful dog. So I'm grateful for that. And it's been a little bit tough. I did not expect to have so much grief over an animal, but there's something very special about the relationship between an owner and a pet, especially a dog, because they attach themselves so much. Like, he just followed me around the house, man. And he would, you know, his existence was around me. And my routine was around him, my morning routine especially. I would get up, I would go downstairs, I would feed him and let him out. And then I would go outside and read, and he would sit next to me, and he was my company. And it feels sort of hollow now, but I'm grateful, truly grateful. And I'm allowing the grieving process, you know, which takes some time. And, but, you know, we have to just go through the stages, right? You know, of the feelings of, I never really felt anger for my dog passing, but because he lived a long, beautiful life, but sadness for sure. And then, you know, I'm coming to accept that he's gone. The thought of a new dog crossed my mind, but I don't know what the future holds as far as my living situation, because I'd like to move and I don't want to have to worry about where am I going to go that accepts a dog, you know, that type of thing. So I'm just going to sit in the knowledge that that dog was a blessing to me, and I'm super grateful, and I'm just going to enjoy the fond memories that I have of him. So if you're going through anything like that, I just want to encourage you. If you've lost a loved one, I know how difficult that is. I've lost my mother as well as my dance mom, my beloved Dee Dee, who taught me how to dance and was my best friend. She was my best friend when she died, and that was really hard. But I'm very grateful to have known them. And we don't know what's on the other side. I think it's probably something wonderful, because it's where the unknown, you know, and the unknown is a great place. We have nothing, we fear it, but I think we need to just embrace it and know that that's where all possibility lies. So we don't know about death, but there's a huge possibility that it's something fantastic, right? So I'm just going to go with that thought right there. I just wanted to share that with you and let you know why I haven't been making videos. If you are a follower and you actually watch my videos, I don't know, I know there's a couple people. I know Audrey does. Hey Audrey, what's up, girl? And she's the one who encouraged me to, you know, she's like, where's the next video? So that was really lovely. Thank you for that. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time on the morning shift. Take care.